So hi guys, welcome back to this training session. Today I am going to explain you how to create a GL account and where we can use and why we use. Okay, so in this video, this is the one of the most essential concept in financial accounting. But actually, it's also you need to use in MM. So when you create a BP, business partner, on there you need to use this GL account or reconciliation account. Okay. So in this video I am going to show you how can we create a GL account or reconciliation account. Okay. So this is the one of the most essential concept in actually in financial accounting. By the end of this video, you will understand what a GL account is, why it's used, and how we can create. Okay. So first I am going to explain you what is a GL account. Okay. So actually GL account, or we can also say that general ledger account. Okay. So it is the main record keeping tool in accounting. It summarizes all businesses transaction related to asset, liabilities, income, and expenses. Okay. In simple term, we can say that it's like a heart of the accounting system where every financial transaction eventually gets recorded. Okay. And then we can also say, actually, for example, you think that when a company purchases like official supplies, like the office supply expenses account is debited and the cash or bank account is created. So both entries go into their respective GL accounts in the general ledger. Okay. So in your mind, why we use GL account? Okay. So actually we use the GL account in several important region, like financial reporting. In financial reporting, they provide the data needed to prepare financial statement, such as the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. Okay. And then second is transparency and control. Okay. So actually they help company track every transaction, ensuring accuracy and accountability. Okay. It's also helpful decision making. Okay. So it's help to analyze a company performance and make strategic business decision. Okay. And it's also helpful for legal and audit compliance, like properly maintain GL accounts help meet audit and tax requirement. Okay. Lots of different type of GL accounts, like asset, liabilities, income or revenue, expenses, equity, everything. Okay. So now I am going to show you how can you we create a GL account. Okay. So here for GL account we use the transaction code FS00. Okay. FS00 and press enter. This is edit GL account centrally, and we can also here create. Okay. So you can put here anything. I am going to put 1,60,000. So this is the already created. So I am taking another number. Okay. Like 1,60,000 3. I am going to give the GL account number this. Okay. And then after we need to use the company code. So my company code is 1998. Okay. Fill there and go to the this create button. Okay. So click here and write here what kind of GL account type you want to create. Okay. So you can fill here as per your requirement, but I am going to fill here balance sheet account and then fill account group. You can also fill there as per your requirement. I am going to fill here general GL account. Okay, because this is for training purpose video, so I am put anything, but in if you are working on any project, so they provide you all the details what you need to put there. Okay, and short text I am right here, you can write here anything as per your requirement. For training purpose I am going to write here uh, vendor for payable. Okay, payable and GL account long text I can write here anything is same here for payable. Okay, after this press enter and then go to the save button. Okay, after that first type and description tab I have filled there, then go to control tab. Okay, in control tab account currency INR already filled. You can tick here anything as per your requirement, and then after create bank return, and here you need to fill status group. Okay, this is the requirement field. You can write here anything, you can fill anything as per your requirement, but I am going to fill it reconciliation account. You can fill reconciliation account with contract reference anything. I am going to fill this one. Okay, and then press enter and go to the save button. Okay, so local currency I have put here INR. Go to the tick button, and then you have to see here my GL account is created and my GL account number is 16403. Okay, okay, so this is the process to create a GL account. Okay, some T codes are used in GL account. FS00 to create or change a GL account, FBL3 and 4 to view GL accounts line items, and FS10 and to display balance. Okay, so that is for this session on general ledger. So thank you for watching this video. Please guys like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon to stay with our video. Okay, thank you so much.